Dapat dugo. Malaman ang last bibig to. Alam ba? Ayan, ganyan. Ay, ano siya, dakpa. Ayoko, gusto ko yan eh. Buti ka pa na, bakit pa nanginginom ng kape? Gusto ko yan. Anong kakainin dito? Sarap nga. Yung mo to? Gusto na ako kakainin? First time ko din. May basurahan na kayo dyan? Ay, basurahan. Ako meron natin kanan.
Sarap kaya.
Ano ba, mango tea? Ano, tsaka sa kaleo. Siguro na... Ano na sa kanaya? Andyan na daw po siya sa labas.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to depart for Mactan, Cebu by First Officer Policarpio. Your flying time will be approximately 50 minutes. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelts by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In the unlikely event of a water landing, use your individual life vest found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip a vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Now pull tapes to tighten. When outside the aircraft, jerk inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation tubes are found on both sides. Blow to increase air and push pins anywhere to release air. Light will automatically illuminate once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that no authorized removal of life vests from the aircraft is a criminal offense. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the peephole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over the nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression. Please take note of the emergency exits marked along each side of the cabin and the exit nearest you. For further information, please refer to the safety instruction card found in the seat pocket in front of you. This aircraft is equipped with an escape path lighting system. In case of an emergency evacuation, the lights will illuminate, leading you to the exits. Fire extinguishers are strategically located in the forward overhead bin, and the ball device is placarded in the equipment itself. We shall be taking off shortly, so please straighten up your seats. Make sure your seatbelts are securely fastened, your window shades off, and your tray table stowed. Thank you.
Nakita ko kumakain ng chocolate.
Oh, may chocolate ka pa lang, hindi ka namimigay. Video.